Greetings to all. I'd like to welcome everyone to today's bid opening for JPS ESSER program, restroom upgrades for CDC trade shop. We have one physical bid and 4 electronic. I'll start with the physical bid, and it is from Innovative Performance Construction Company. They do have their CRR number listed on the front, and it is 20154-MC. They do have their form of non-conclusive affidavits. Their bid bond is the Gray Insurance Company. Okay, moving on to their proposal form. They did not acknowledge receiving any addendums. Their contract time is 180 days. And their base bid is in the amount of $864,235.52. They have no mechanical, no electrical, or plumbing subs listed. And we will move to the electronic bid. The first one we have is J.E. Stevens Construction Group. Their certificate of responsibility number is 24536-MC. Expiration date 10/27/2024. Their surety company is the Handover Insurance Group. They acknowledge receiving Addendum 1. They do not have their affidavits form for the proposal. Their base bid price is $1,015,000. Alternate number 1 is no bid. Alternate number 2 is $49,800. Subcontractors they have listed: mechanical, McLean Plumbing. Electrical, they have none listed. Plumbing, McLean Plumbing. The days they have is 210 days. Next, we'll move to Morant and Associates, LLC. Their certificate responsibility number is 11644-MC. They did include the form of non-conclusive affidavits. Their surety company is Swiss Re Corporation Solution American Insurance Corporation. They did acknowledge receiving Addendum 1. Their base bid is $1,188,600. For alternate number 1, they have $0. For alternate number 2, they have $65,600. For subcontractors, they have listed McLean Plumbing for mechanical. Electrical, they have Bomac Electric. For plumbing, they have McLean Plumbing. We'll move next to Traxler Construction, LLC. Their certificate responsibility number is 23254-MC. They do have the form of non-conclusive affidavits. Their surety company is United States Fire Insurance Company. They did acknowledge receiving Addendum 1. Base bid is $1,157,000. Alternate number 1, they have $0. Alternate number 2, they have $34,000. For subcontractors, they have none listed. And we will move to our last bid, which is M&P Construction. Their certificate of responsibility number is 21320-MC. Yeah, they do have the form of non-conclusive affidavits. Their surety company, Employers Mutual Casual Company. They did acknowledge receiving Addendum 1. And their base bid is in the amount of $1,460,000. Alternate number 1, they have $93,000. Alternate number 2, they have $56,700. Subcontractors listed: for mechanical, they have McLean Plumbing. For plumbing, they have McLean Plumbing. And that concludes the bid for the restroom upgrade project for Career Development Center. Thank you.